Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Agronomic Center. Longhorn cattle farming, also known as ranching or livestock farming, is a widespread practice in both America and Africa. The term longhorn cattle specifically refers to a breed known for its distinctive long, curved horns. While the methods of raising cattle can vary, here are some common aspects of cattle farming in both regions. Grazing. Open-range grazing. America historically, in parts of America, cattle were allowed to roam freely on open ranges, grazing on natural pastures. Managed grazing. Africa. In Africa, cattle farming often involves rotational or managed grazing systems where herds are moved between different pastures to prevent overgrazing and promote healthy grasslands. Feeding. Natural forage. Both cattle are typically raised on a diet of natural forage, including grasses and other vegetation. Pasture-raised cattle graze on open fields. Supplemental feeding. Both in certain situations, especially during times of drought or when natural forage is scarce, supplemental feeding with hay, grains, and other feed may be necessary. Breeding. Selective breeding. Both farmers often engage in selective breeding to improve desired traits such as meat quality, resistance to diseases, and adaptability to local climates. Longhorn cattle. America. The Longhorn breed has played a significant role in American cattle history, known for its hardiness and adaptability to harsh conditions. Healthcare. Vaccination and disease management. Both cattle farmers implement healthcare practices to prevent and control diseases. This includes vaccination programs, regular checkups, and quarantine measures. Livestock veterinarians. Both American and African cattle farmers seek the expertise of livestock veterinarians to ensure the health and well-being of their herd. Economic importance. Livelihood. Both cattle farming is a significant source of livelihood for many farmers in both America and Africa, providing meat, milk, leather, and other byproducts. It's important to note that while there are similarities, there are also distinct regional variations in cattle farming practices based on climate, available resources, and cultural factors. Additionally, sustainable and ethical practices are gaining importance in the global agricultural industry, influencing how cattle are raised and managed.